Hey there, Techians! Welcome to the part 5 or module 5 of this tutorial series in game development. So in this lecture, I will be showing you or teaching you the parts of the script or a class that we will be attaching in our game objects so that whatever code or instruction we put in that script will be functional in our game. So to do that, we will head here in the assets folder and we will make a scripts folder. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's delete this first. So to do that, right click, then select create and create folder, and we're going to name it scripts. All the scripts that we'll be making in this project will be placed in here in this folder. So let's open the folder scripts. Then let's create a new C# script. Select right click, create, and C# script. So we're just going to name it script 1 since I'm just going to teach you the parts of this script or the parts of the class or script. So wait for it to reload. Okay. Every time you make a script, this will appear or it will be compiled. Then to open it, just double click, and automatically it will be linked to our IDE wherein we installed it before, Microsoft Visual Studio. So in the context of game development through Unity C#, we have here the namespaces. We need that because we are deriving functions wherein we will be using it in a game development. Because C# is not just used for game development, it is also used in app development, desktop app development, and many more. So for this, we have a namespace for Unity. It is deriving from system.collections generic, and using Unity in game engine. As we go through this tutorial, these are not the only namespaces that will be used. For example, we will be manipulating the scenes or the UI, so we will be adding namespaces here for the scene management and for the UI, and so much, and so on and so forth. Then we have here the name of our class. So as you can see, the class name is the same with the title of the script that we have made a while ago, script 1, and here we have here script 1. So do not edit this. You're not going to write anything in here. Just make it stay as a script 1. Whatever the title of your script should be the same here, because if it's not the same, then this script will not function whenever it is attached to a game object. And then we have here the term monoBehavior. So monoBehavior is the base class of the Unity game engine. We are also deriving functions from here. So for example, you want to manipulate the position or the rotation of the game object, the renderer, or you want to spawn enemies. So we need this base class to derive those functions. And here we have the event functions, the start function, and the update function. So as you can see, we have here a green labeled text. This is what you call comment or notes. I call this notes. So for example, you are writing a code in here and you just want to put a label in it that will not be read by the IDE code or IDE code editor. So you will have to make it as a comment. So to make a comment, you just have to put 2/ before the text, and it will just be ignored by the IDE or code editor. So we have here start is called before the first frame update, and for the update it is called once per frame. So maybe it is too technical for you guys, but in the next video or Yeah, in the next video that you will be watching, I will be presenting their practical examples wherein you will be able to understand what this event function means. Actually, this is not the only event functions in Unity. We have different event functions. We have the awake, enables, reset, start, and so on and so forth. So you can visit this on the docs.unity3d.com. This is called the order of execution for event functions. What does that mean? Whenever you hit the play button in this game and in the Unity game engine, it will read first. So you will see here in the chart, it will read first whatever the code in the awake or any declaration in the awake, and next to that, on enable, reset, and start. But don't worry, we won't be using all of this. We'll just be using 3 for our project, and those are specifically those are start function, update function, and the void await. Why are we going to use the void await? So to do that, you just have to type void, meaning this function is not returning any value. Await. So whenever we press the play button in our game, here in the game engine, not on the actual game, so it will read first whatever the written code here in the awake, then it will follow the start, wherein start is called before the first frame update. For me, start, whatever the function you put there will only be called once, and the update, it is called once per frame, every frame. Oh yeah, once per frame. Yeah, it's the same, one per frame, every frame. So these are the event functions that we will be using in this project. So that is the part of the class or script in Unity game engine. So for the next video, we will be having the scripting basics 1.0, where I will be teaching you there how to declare variables, the data types, if-else statements, coroutines. Oh, not yet coroutines. That will be on the scripting 2.0, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So stay tuned and have a great day.